Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, extracting a specific part of a sentence or string can be accomplished using various methods. Two commonly used approaches involve regular expressions and the strip method. In this tutorial, we will explore both methods with code examples to demonstrate how to extract a desired substring. Regular expressions, regex, provide a powerful and flexible way to match patterns in strings. The re module in Python allows us to work with regular expressions. Let's go through a step-by-step example. Explanation. The strip method in Python is useful for removing specified characters, whitespace by default, from the beginning and end of a string. We can use this method to extract a substring when we know the prefix and suffix of the desired portion. Explanation. Choose the method that best suits your specific use case. Regular expressions are powerful for complex patterns, while the strip method is convenient for simpler extraction based on known prefixes and suffixes. ChatGPT.